Okay, this is the aftermath of the storm. We had a limb come down, knock that gutter. Lots of limbs down. The big event though is in the backyard. Lots of limbs down. No big trees, fortunately, but we have water over that bulkhead and it washed out this area right here. All the bricks have collapsed. Right there. There was water over that little oyster area, and you can see how the sand just collapsed out of there. Keep going around. The rest of it looks pretty strong. I was walking out here last night. I was in ankle deep water right in this spot. Just water came up to about here and never entered the garage. I moved the big green egg inside. We don't have water in the garage, which is good, but we did have water in this area inside the house where the wet vac is. This was all water was coming in here at this corner, the basement, just flooding in. It's dry now. We mopped it and vacuumed it, and it was also dripping from that light. You can see here that there's a crack and water was coming in there. So that